Hey there, entrepreneurs and business owners. Black Friday is just around the corner, and that means it's time to get your marketing game on point. In today's video, I'm going to be diving into 5 trending Black Friday reel ideas that will make your brand and offer stand out. So, whether you're a Black Friday newbie or a seasoned pro, these reels ideas will have your audience stopping their scroll and paying attention to your promotions. So, let's dive in and get you ready to win this Black Friday. All right, let's get down to business. You've got your amazing Black Friday offer ready, but here's the $1,000,000 question. How do you cut through the noise and grab your ideal buyer's attention? The answer lies in creating scroll stopping, sales boosting reels, and here's why this strategy works. Number 1 is visibility. So in a sea of Black Friday posts, your bold and creative reels are going to make your brand pop and stand out even more. Number 2 is engagement. Because reels are shown to both your followers and your non-followers, this is going to increase your reach exponentially and get even more eyeballs on your sale. And number 3 is conversion. A well-crafted reel is going to showcase your offer in such an irresistible way that your viewers can't resist being interested, which is going to convert your views into sales. So let's talk visuals. Your Black Friday marketing needs to be bolder than ever. We're talking eye-catching, easy-to-read fonts, contrasting colors, and attention-grabbing videos. And guess what? We've got you covered. This gorgeous Black Friday video collection from Hotstock is curated with high quality, modern, and sale-focused content that will elevate your marketing. I love these videos because they're the perfect blend of sophistication and excitement, which is exactly what you need to make your Black Friday campaign unforgettable. Now that we've got our visual inspo, let's dive into those 5 sale-boosting reels ideas. First up for our reels ideas is the slow zoom in trend. For all the reels, I'm going to be creating them in the CapCut app, so go ahead, download that if you don't already have it, and open it on up. Once you're in CapCut, you can go ahead and select to create a new project, and then select your Black Friday video that you want to be your background. In the editing area, make sure that you have the video selected, and then you're going to want to add a keyframe, which is the diamond icon with the plus sign here, in the place where you want the video to start zooming in. And then you're going to want to scroll down to the point in the video where you want your zoom to end, and then add another keyframe. At this point, you also want to go up into the top display and pinch to zoom in to the video until you get the crop that you want your video to end at. Then you can go ahead and play the video to see if you're happy with the zoom in effect that you've created, and if not, then you can always go back to that last keyframe and edit that zoom. At the point where your video is fully zoomed in, this is a great place to share some information on your sale or to add a CTA. I'm going to add the date of my sale and also the CTA to mark your calendars. Once you have your text formatted and positioned in the place that you want it to be in your video, then you want to make sure to drag the sliders of your text layer to begin and end at the spots that you want it to in the video. The slow zoom in is great for sales marketing because it grabs your viewers' attention with that continuous movement, and then adding the CTA at the end is perfect because now you have their focus and you can tell them what their next steps are. Just export your video to your phone's photos and you're ready to share on your Instagram Reels. Next up is this super fun trend where text in your video is revealed when something or someone passes by it. To create this, pop back into CapCut and create your new project with your video background. Then add your text that is related to your sale. Remember to go with a bold and large size font for your Black Friday marketing to make a big statement and get noticed. Then make sure that your text layer and your video layer are the same length. Also, you can delete this end scene that CapCut automatically adds to the end of all your projects and then export and save this file to your phone. Now you can go back into the document and delete the text layer. Then select the plus arrow and add back in the file you just saved with the text. With the video without the text selected, swipe to the overlay option and tap. Then drag that video underneath the other video layer. Now swipe to the mask option. Click on the horizontal button and rotate the line so that it's straight and the arrow is facing towards the direction that the woman walked in from. Now you can move to the point in the video where you want the effect to start and also move the yellow line to your first point of reference. Select the diamond icon to put your first keyframe in. Continue through the video to where you want the next reveal to begin. Move the yellow line till it reveals as much text as you'd like at this point, and then your next keyframe is going to be automatically added. Continue the process till all the text has been revealed. Then you can play to review your eye-catching Black Friday reel and export your video and share. Next up is the rewind reel trend. So open up CapCut, create a new project, and select your high quality video. It gives you the option to trim your video before adding if you like, which I'm going to do to have it end right when the confetti is done falling. Next, I want to speed up the video slightly. So to do that, select the video, then speed. From here, you can test out what speed would work best for the video. Once that's done, I'll select the video again, then tap on duplicate. Then select the second video clip and swipe to the reverse option. This will play the first video normally and then will play the second video backwards so it looks like you're rewinding the video. Now I can add my copy and my CTA. I'll add my first text which announces my sale. I'm positioning and angling it so that it looks like it's written on top of the laptop screen. You want to think about how you can creatively incorporate your text so it looks like it's a part of the video rather than just slapped over top without any thought to it. I really want this to pop, so I'm going to go back and format the text so it stands out. I'm adding a glow effect, but turning down the intensity a bit so it's more natural. I want the text to be the same gold color as the confetti, so I'll use the eyedropper tool to pull that exact color. Next, I'll add my CTA to get more info in the caption. The text has saved the same formatting options as my previous text, so I'll just go back in and edit the sizing and the intensity of the glow. You can also add text animations in CapCut, which I'm going to do with the text that I want to stand out. Lastly, drag in and out the start and end points of your text layers to start and finish at the right points in your video. Now your rewind reel is ready to dazzle your potential customers. Next up is the quick cut reel. Once you're in CapCut, upload your video. Hotstock has the perfect videos for this trend because, like the one I've chosen, the text "something exciting is coming" is a great transition to our quick cuts. I'm just trimming down the length so that it stays quick and snappy to keep my viewers' attention. Then I'm ready to do the quick cut edit. I'm adding beauty images from Hotstock to demo, but this would be a great time to use images of your own products or services. I want it to be a quick glimpse into what they'll get in my cyber sale. Continue to add your images one after the other. Because we're going to make the clips timing really quick, you want to make sure that you have a few images added in here. I went with 10 Hotstock images. Once all your images are added, drag in the images so that they are 0.5 seconds in length. Then pinch out to zoom in on your images to make sure they're all covering the full reel background. Now I can add my text where the quick clip effect starts to get my viewers excited about my sale. I'm using a big bold font and the outline effect to make sure that it stands out. Adjust the text layer to be as long as your quick cuts. I'm leaving the last image empty because I'm going to add another text layer for my call to action. And then make sure that your text layer ends in the right spot. And now I can play to review my quick cut reel. This trend made with the Hotstock video and paired with your own product or brand images is a great way to build excitement for your amazing cyber sale. Now you can download, upload to Instagram, add a catchy or trending song, and get those buyers ready to hit the checkout button. Lastly, we have this super easy step text reveal trend. To do it, create your project in CapCut with your video. Go to the point in the video where the shoe has stepped off the paper and is just lifted off enough so that the text won't be overlaid on the shoe. Add your CTA here. Size and angle it to fit naturally on the piece of paper and place it in the spot where the shoe lands on the paper. I'm also going to add the glow effect because there's this bit of sunlight in the video itself that I want to mirror. I'm also turning down the intensity of the glow and the opacity of the text so that it looks more natural. Then adjust your text layer to end where your video ends. Now you can hit play to test out the timing to make sure the text is only revealed after your shoe lifts off the paper and that there's no overlap. And you're ready to export and share the savings with your customers. If you're ready to boost your Black Friday and holiday sales with social media, then you'll love the Hotstock membership. Our exclusive library is packed with resources tailored for the holiday shopping season. You'll get access to Black Friday and holiday marketing templates, a comprehensive Black Friday sales planner, curated stock videos perfect for creating those scroll-stopping reels, just like the ones we used in this video, and thousands of celebration and holiday-themed stock photos. With these tools at your fingertips, you'll be ready to stand out and maximize your sales this Black Friday and beyond. Thanks for watching. Want more Reels ideas for your business? Then watch our video, How to Create Instagram Reels with Stock Videos using Canva.